Everybody, this is USDK here, Daniel Cafe. Let me show you how I used to trade my boom and crash with my CES strategy. So this is a live trade. I just want to show you. If you take a good look at this, if you take a good look at this, this is a very strong support level where the market respected most of the time. A very strong support level. Ne? This is a support level. Let me add, it's one lot. Oh, not enough money. Good. But this is a very strong support level. So how do I know that the market is not going to spike? I'm going to show you. The market will pass through the support level without even reacting. It will pass through the support level. So simply because of my good strategy, I even ended late. So yeah, I will show you. Definitely. There's one signal that I was given by my student. They asked me, should we end now? Because the market had been going against them ever since, because they don't know when to end exactly. But I've given them that signal to end and not to be afraid, and I told them how the market is going to react. I'm gonna show you while this one is running. You will see it will break that support level, will be broken to the downside. The market will keep on selling. But if it's somebody, if you didn't have a strategy like this one, that's why I like asking. In terms of price action, you will think that the market is going to spike again once it reaches that strong support level. But for me, I know obviously and definitely the market will go through that support level without reacting. It will go to the downside. Watch and learn. So let me show you another order. Let me just show you this one. Exactly, the market is just doing exactly like I've told them. People, let me show you this. Wow, nobody can teach me this. I'm telling you, people, I've been losing money on volatility, currency pairs and things like that when I'm to do price action and things. I'm just trying. So somebody can teach me about that one. I still have to perfect myself on those ones, but in terms of boom and crash, nobody can teach me this, like truly speaking. So I know what I know. So yeah, look at that sniper entry. They told me, should we end? I told them, yes, you can end. The only thing, you can end that there's no way that the market will go against you. I told them, if the possible area for the market to spike is here, the market will spike exactly right here, and it goes to retest the top, and then it will come back just like I've thrown. But look at what the market did. Look at this. Exactly like I've said, it will go and retest the top. It might not reach the top, and then it will go back down. And then another possible zone of where a spike might occur, because it almost reached that zone and it spiked. And I told them it will go retest the previous thing, like the previous support, which is this one. It's no more a support, but it's a resistance level, and then it goes back down. That is exactly what I told them. And look at what is happening, guys. Look at what is happening. Exactly like I've said. So exactly like I've said, and I say this before that, before the market was even here, before it, I say it will spike before it was here. So that is something that is happening exactly like I've said. It's like this strategy is the most, this is the most profitable strategy to trade against spike. That's why I don't, a lot of people actually trade spikes, and they are telling people that it's very dangerous to trade against spikes. Not dangerous for me. It's only when you don't know. It will be dangerous for you. Why can you trade spikes and not these small candles? For me, it's not that I don't I don't know how to trade against spikes. I don't know how to trade spikes. I know how to trade spikes, but sometimes I just don't like that feeling of putting me in negatives before they go give me that profit. I just like seeing blue. Exactly, sniper entry, as you can see. I'm sorry, sniper entry. This is exactly what I told them. And the market will definitely break there and go to the downside. How did I say that the market is going to make a tender? Let me show you according to how I know. This is just a support level. Let me show you here. Yeah, I said the market will spike and then it might break that EMA on the main chart, this EMA, and then go back down again under that EMA. But unfortunately it didn't break that EMA. So now it have got a very high probability of just moving without giving any spike. So the market will continuously go to the downside. It might spike and go reach that line. I know again it will go to the downside because it's very, very, very overbought. So that's why I ended exactly where I supposed to end it, not late, not what. So yeah, this is how I use this strategy. So still in blue. I told you, definitely, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. I even ended late. I told you, this is a very strong support level. It's a strong support level. And I told you that the market is now going to break that support level. You know, look at that, but the support level is not completely broken. Let us just wait and watch how the market is going to react. Let me pause a little bit, and yeah, I want to show you this. Yeah, people, I don't have to preach that much. You can see what is happening in the market. Exactly, I told them that the market is going to spike there. Let us wait and see. The market might spike there. My possible spike zone, it will obviously do what I'm telling you, what I'm expecting it from it. So the market will spike down there and then it will go back down again. So that is how I know about this market, knowing the market. So what I'm trying to tell you is, sometimes buying of strategies is kind of like a waste of money. The indicators are just within this MetaTrader. The only thing that you lack is hard working. You're supposed to place your indicators. You're supposed to work with your demo, place your different indicators, test them out, work with them according to your price action, according to the knowledge that you know of that price action. That is the only way you can do it. But if you are only trading with the indicators alone, sometimes it's okay. But let me show you something why I don't really trust a price action. Let me show you something. Because in most cases people only in price action, people only trade the breakout, the retest and whatever. So let me show you something. This is exactly I told you before I ended that trade. I told you that this is a very strong support level. If you were doing price action, how do you know that? If you were doing price action, obviously you could have wait for the market to break this strong support level, and then you could have ended here. Me having the strategy, I know that the market will pass this strong support level without reacting. The market didn't even react. You can see here. Take a look at this. Let me just you can see this is the market reacted, it's a very strong support level. As you can see, the market reacted many times, but I told you in this time around it's not going to react. It will just pass through that strong support level. Once you combine this with price action, that will be best, but price action alone it's not the best case in terms of trading these indices. Maybe trading the currencies and things like that for the people that perfect those ones. But as I know, with my boom and crash, it doesn't respect that price action every time. Not every time. So somebody could have placed a buy, hoping that the market will react on this zone and it will buy. But for me, I knew the market will never do that. It will break this simply because my strategy is telling me that it's overbought now. It have to break that zone and it will go. Definitely, it will go down. So yeah, that's what I've done. It's a proof. I ended before the market break the zone, and I told you that the market is definitely going to break the zone. You see where I ended in. So if it spikes, it will just spike for a little retest, and then it continues to the downside. And that is how I know my boom and crash, not other pairs. So nobody can teach me this, as I'm telling you. So this is just the K here, and I'm just gifted in this thing. So this is my indicators. It's still the same strategy. It's still doing the most. What I'm telling you, people, is just to train yourself on different strategies. So watch. There are a lot of free strategies on social media. You watch, you place as a, the good thing is that you already know how to place your different indicators. You know where the indicators are. The only problem is that you don't know how the indicators work in relation with the market, with the movement of the market. So that is one thing you have to teach yourself. Once you master that, there's no way that you are going to lose. So trust your strategy, work on your strategy for a couple of months. That is the only way. If you are changing today, you are having this strategy, tomorrow you are taking that one. So you will make money with a certain strategy today, and then the market will grab your money the next day. So the strategy is not in perfection. I personally, when I started with the strategy, there were points where I ended earlier, and then I lost money with this strategy as well in the beginning. But now I'm no more doing that, simply because I know what is happening. There's no way trading, like some people are telling you there are strategies where you catch 2 candles, 3 candles, 7 candles. Those ones is not. So when are you going to make money if you are catching simple? Maybe you will be making money for the whole day, and the next minute the whole money will be grabbed by binary. So this is the only way to kill the market. So let me show you again. Yeah, you see, this is, it's happening, people. It's happening. It's happening. DK, exactly like I've said. So the market spike on my zone. Look at that sniper entry. This is the most profitable strategy. And to get a signal, I'm not using it while like this. I zoom completely out like this for me to get the signal. So that's why I happen to draw my thing. I know that is just a possible zone of where spikes can happen. Spike will happen, but nothing will happen to me. Spike is happening, but nothing is happening to my account. It's just keep on increasing and withdrawing. So that is how we trade the market. Learn how to trade the market profitable, in a profitable way. This is definitely my main purpose of uploading video every time, showing you what I'm doing. Is just to motivate you. Some of you don't even understand. You're telling us this is kind of like teaching you how you're supposed to do things, not to give up, to motivate you, not to give you, not to spoon feed you. You must know the reason for us posting videos, for motivation, not to spoon feed you, because nobody spoon feeded me. I've lost a lot of money in this binary, and this is the time I'm getting my money back. So but by this time around I'm already owing binary. Binary doesn't owe me anything. I'm owing them. So because I'm taking money every time, the time I was losing, I didn't have any fun to do whatever. So the only little money I get, I hustle a little bit. I put my $30, I blew it out. My $100, I blew it out. And that is the money that I can't afford to lose. But finally, I got this answer. This is what I'm doing. The market is happening live, as you can see. And this is a sniper entry. This is what I used to tell you. A spike can happen, but it have got nowhere to find me. And this is just what I'm doing. Nothing else. So as you can see, trading freely without being afraid of anything. I told you it will break that support level, and it will continue to the downside without using any tool like a robot, without being given a signal by nobody. It's just these indicators. This is the sales strategy, one of the best strategy in the market I ever had. So this is your CK here, currently signing